Hello student. So today we are start the new chapter. In the last class I will explain you for in that athletic part middle and long distance race, no, that is running, throwing, walking, jumping, all we are consider in the athletic part. This chapter after next you have going to studying high jump. This is also an athletic part only. Jumping, running, throwing, that all includes in athletic parts. Okay, these are the single day events that is going to takes place, right? So in this lesson you are going to studying a what are the rules of high jump competition, and what is that pole in this high jump event, what how they jump in that competitor, how it is make of holes in that attempt. Okay, next they are going to study in this state and international level of that records. In the 2018 one they given, recent one they are not given, it is the edition of 2018 book, no, that year recorded names are given here. Okay, so first year basic rules of high jump. What is the rules of high jump? Already you are in the home only, you are playing time only will do now high jump. That is not here, that is for some specific rule for this. Okay, so high jumper should take off a single leg. How they going to jump here? They going to take a single jump, single leg up. So you can observe here, see in that high jump there is a crossbar they kept on the poles, that one single leg they going to up and they going to jump here, right? So they going to take a some straddle techniques. Straddle technique means they have a um, some trick to jump. Okay, so jumper taking off of the left leg mark on his runway, or he can take a right or left leg. Okay, their choice. Competitor they going to jump, that body position should be crash only when you are going to do the high jump. Okay, high jump is different, long jump it is different. High jump for they going to take the legs in the crash way. Okay, up, that body position also it should be crash only. Okay, run and they going to jump. For long jump is going to jump in that long distance is covering long jump, right? So here body position should be, you can observe your figure, no, they going to make a two strategy there, parallel straddle or drive straddle like. Okay, that is they, the trick they going to use over there, that is called single leg jump. Okay, so there that competitor who are participating, no, that have a maximum 3 attempts are given for particular height. So every time they going to increasing the height further, they will give a how many attempts, and more 3 times they will give a chance for them. Okay, maximum it is 3 times chance they will give to attend that. The competitor should be informed regarding to increase the crossbar for beginning to finish of the event. What they do, there will be some judges observing, no, they're going to mark it, right? So how much height you will jump, that then level rising also, the crossbar will tell that is rising, right? So their member they going to inform for the competitors how much height they are going to increasing. Okay, without informing for the competitor they will not rise the height, remember. Okay, every time first trial for that means first jump for that they will give us some height, for that fixed height depending on that age they will give you. Okay, primary for one height will be gave, high school like that, college student for that there will be different height level is there, that according to that age group they will give the height for to jump. When they are going to give a chance for the competitor, they will rising, know that height should be informed for the competitors. Okay, the bar height should be raised systematically after it is successfully completed by all the competitors. How many competitors are participating, no, that all of us inform after they will going to rising, and that one thing they will inform for the competitor. Without informing they not rise that. Okay, that is they will maintain discipline. Then the competitor have an opportunity give the pass to a specific height in this event. That opportunity competitors they, so their competitor have a chance. Okay, then get an opportunity to pass the height in this event. Athletes failing to clear specific height shall have to leave the competition. If they going to fail that jump to that height, they can leave the competition. That is also rule is there. Okay, they no worry about that. It is not compulsory for them. Every time they will inform them according to their level, how much they are in rising the height. Also they will inform for the competitors. They have a opportunity to pass that. And also one more, they if they are not able to jump, okay, they have a chance to leave that. Okay, that is also is their competitor for. Then crossbar, obviously they not leave, no, they will attempt that, right? So yeah, that rule, remember, they have a chance to leave that competition. Okay, crossbar falling due to the contact of jumper during an attempt is considered a foul. Okay, so if it is jumping, no, on the leg up, if it is touch that crossbar, if it is touched that bar, in the sense that jump will not be considered. That is a foul with their going to record. Okay, so if it is that like they are going to jumping, no, if we touch that, that is considered as a foul. Remember, foul in the sense they not that they not consider that as a jump there. Okay, that is removing that. Okay, so next, an attempt will be registered in the name of jumper in case if he touch the uprights. Means if you are jumping time, if it is that leg and or any body part, if it is touch, that they will be registered. Okay, their observing members is there, no sports teachers, they going to record that how many times they going to touch. Okay, crossbar, landing pit before takeoff. If they are going to take off, in the sense they start the game, if it is they going to touch the crossbar, uprights and landing pit also, if it is they going to touch when you are jumping along with that. Okay, they going to note it. Okay, no athletic can return through the space below the crossbar. If it is below the crossbar, no athletic, they not give the chance to move under that. Okay, they not allow for them to crash that and also even touch. If it is somebody is jumping that time, if it is anybody in that below, if it is passes, means what it is, they will argue that I am not touch that, right? So somebody is touch and they fall down, means that is not countable. Remember, that's why they know athletics can return from that space below. Okay, they have to, when they are going to participating, that time only they can fix that. While they are going to fix the height, they will show them and also they will inform the competitors how much height is there going to keep the crossbar, that all. Okay, so next one more thing, that is a 10th point. No trial or approaches run is permitted to the athletes after the competition has begun. If it is competition began, in the sense they will not give any trial for them. Trials in the sense, first ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನಾನು ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಯಾವುದು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್. ಮತ್ತು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅವರು ಆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದನೂ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಿಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅಪ್ರೋಚರ್ ರನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೈಟು ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು trial. Okay, so next part, it is foul. I told no foul, it is how it is considered. The jump which do not adhere to the rule of high jump is called as a foul. It is rule, it is not they will, if what are the rules I told, no, that rules if it is they not achieve, means that consider as a foul. Okay, if they going to argue, if they touch, that all consider as foul. Okay, ಫೌಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೈ ಜಂಪ್. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ 2018 they recorded that some state level, national level and international levels, how much meter they going to height, they will high jump they done, that also recorded. You need to know these names here. Okay, so for in the men's section, women's section is separate. There is no together group not there. Okay, so men is separate group, women's is separate group. For the men, first we see in the state level, Harshit S 2.20 meters. How much meter it is? 2.20 meters Harshita S in the state level. National level, Tejaswin Shankar Delhi. Okay, 2.26 more than she. Okay, so 2.26 meters. Next in the international level, Javier Sotomayor, Cuba. Okay, Javier Sotomayor in the Cuba, he is going to jump how much? 2.45 meters, highest in the international level. Okay, so if they are participating in the sense they've done lot of practice, right? So as the men records, like that, women's also is there. Women's height. Okay, here women's Sahana Kumari 1.92 meters. How much? 1.92 meters Sahana Kumari. Next, Sahana Kumari only in Karnataka, our state, remember it is 1.92 meters above. Okay, 1.92 meters means that crossbar they kept how much meters, and the land pit that should be 1.92 meters. Okay, next one, it is in the national level, Karnataka national participating name, our in Karnataka's state level also, national level also she participated, Sahana Kumari, remember the name. In the international level, she not participated, only state and national level. International level name is Stefka Costodino. Stefka Costodino, Bulgaria. She is not in our country, Bulgaria. Okay, how much she? 2.09 meters. That okay, it is the highest girls. For a men's 2.45 meters. In the 2018 recorded one it is. You will get 2019 and 20 like that event record also if you search. So what is given in your textbook, that names you need to remember. Okay, for men 2-3 names, 3 names is given, and also women for 2 names you need to remember. Okay, this much. This related only few question answer is there. I will send you that classwork, you have to copy and send me the picture.